in mud, wiggling nose and little thud, snorting happily all day long, wiggling tail so short and strong. Horse, neigh, neigh, here's the horse so proud, galloping fast and strong and loud, with the mane that flies so free, running round the farm with glee. Cluck, cluck, says the chicken near, pecking seeds without a fear, flapping wings and scratching